Hey guys, this is my first time using this camera. I'm so excited to be vlogging more and to be showing you little snippets of my life. I just wanted to say hey and welcome to the vlog. So I'm just so excited to be here, to be finally doing something that I have wanted to do for so long. Actually, every morning I will get up and I will make my breakfast and I will sit down and eat my breakfast and drink my coffee whilst watching a YouTube video. It feels so exciting to actually like be here doing it. Like I'm doing it. Ah! The reason why I wanted to start this channel was because of many reasons. Some reasons are for you guys and some reasons are for me. I want to be able to give you guys that feeling of hope and inspiration and joy that I get from other people. I guess like for me this is such a massive passion of mine. Since I was like 14 or 15, like I would make videos and like video montages of summer. I love videography, probably more so than photography, and I love it because of the emotion that you can capture. It is one of those hobbies for me that makes time pass so fast, and also just like to have memories. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this, and I hope you guys come along for the ride. Alrighty, I am ready for the day. It is a beautiful sunny day and I'm going to head to brunch with my girlies Kamaya and Jez, and I'm so excited to see them.
Famous frosty with bacon and a long plate. Thank you so much. Thanks. My girlies! Oh!
Oh yeah baby. Yeah baby.
Oh hell
Okay. 3, 2, 1, hot. I do get it. You're missing out on a golden opportunity here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, skid marks.
Oh.
Morena team, it is a Saturday morning here and I am gonna make some brekkie. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, so I'm gonna hopefully get out and do a walk with some friends, and then gonna go out with the girls tonight, have a couple of drinks, go to a comedy show. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. So first, food. So I am currently getting ready to go out for drinks with the girls and then go to a comedy show tonight. I've just like sprayed my hair. I don't want to touch it too much, but I've just sprayed my hair with water, put a little bit of curl product in, and then diffused it with the hairdryer, and it's come out really good, like very curly, so I'm happy. Yeah, it's honestly every time I do my hair I just have to hope, because sometimes it's great and sometimes it's not, but we like it today. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, it's been a couple of days since I last vlogged, and honestly, like, I feel like such a bloody loser, imposter, I don't know what it is, just even saying like I'm vlogging and saying, hey guys, it's been a couple of days. Like, I think it's just when you start something new, you're going to go through those motions of like, who do I think I am? Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Cringing at yourself. So I'm just gonna ride the wave, because I know that doing this really excites me, and that's what I want to focus on rather than focusing on like the cringiness and all of that stuff. So anyway, today is the 22nd of April. I should really do a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days until I leave Wellington. A week after that, I head to Bali. I have been feeling really anxious about the whole thing. Kind of been like really like wallowing in that like anxiety and that fear. It's been really helpful actually, like talking to people about how I'm feeling. I'm very aligned in my path and I'm doing what I'm meant to be doing. What excites me about it is that I know the fear and the angst that being in this completely new environment, I know that it is going to be so good for me, and it's not always going to feel good. And I definitely don't have the idea that the grass is going to be greener over there. Like, I know that I'm going to be really fucking uncomfortable, but I'm excited by how I'm going to respond to that and how it's going to shift my thinking and what opportunities it's going to bring into my life. So yeah, like even though I'm really scared, I'm also like super pumped at the fact that I'm scared, because I know that means that I'm getting out of my comfort zone. So I am currently doing some mahi, some work. I'm using Canva, which is the greatest thing for people that aren't good at design. My guppy. These are the books that I'm going through. So we've got Personality Isn't Permanent, Untamed, The Big Leap, Happiness Trap, Psycho-Cybernetics, and The Saint, the Servant, and the CEO. I tend to highlight my favorite parts, and that means that it makes it really easy. Don't mind my nails, cute. It makes it really easy to be able to go back and remind myself of the little gems in the book. This is my habits tracker for April. So I've got meditation, movement, 10,000 steps, gratitude, reading, podcast, make bed, journal, no social media before 8 AM, habit tracked, and belief work. So I'm gonna fill mine out for today.
And now you have a selfie setup, and you can also lock this using this lock.
Hey team, so I am currently house sitting and dog sitting for my friend. She has 2 big white fluff balls, 2 Samoyeds, so I'll definitely show you them in the morning. But yeah, I'm just going to be here for a couple of days. It's Tuesday, today, so I'll be here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then on Saturday I am heading away for a big walk with the girls. Hopefully, if my back sorts itself out, I'm just going to maybe watch some Grey's Anatomy. Final fit. The washing is not an aesthetic. Where's me ciggy? So I am currently waiting for my friend Casey to come and pick me up. Her and her friend Hayley, who I haven't met before, we are all heading up to do Mount Taranaki. So I've talked to a couple of people about it, and apparently it's a really hard walk, so I'm a little bit nervous, but it should be fun, and hopefully I'll get to take you guys along for some of it. Was that flash helping?